Hi, I'm Des, and welcome to SyntaxJourney. If you're interested in learning programming or improving your skills, you've come to the right place. On this channel, I'll be sharing with you my passion for coding and taking you along my journey of becoming a better programmer. I'll be making videos on various topics such as programming languages, frameworks, and tools,
Storyblocks Audio,
tutorials, tips and tricks, challenges, projects and hacks, reviews, comparisons and opinions, and much more. I'll be uploading new videos every week, so you'll always have something to watch and learn. My goal is to help you start or advance your programming journey and have fun along the way. So, if you're ready to join me on this adventure, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more awesome content.